All right. John gave a super chat separately. Here's his question, though. As BRP recommends not towing a Sea-Doo above 5 miles per hour, excuse me, is there any, let me try it again. As BRP recommends not towing a Sea-Doo above 5 miles per hour, is there any way to prevent water from entering the exhaust port and flooding the engine? A clamp is almost impossible to install and be accessible.
It's
Here's Greg with more visual aids.
Yeah. So here's your Sea-Doo style water box. This is the older one, but they kind of still apply to the new ones. This is the hose that goes from your exhaust manifold and into the water box. It's the only water source for it. So all you have to do is put a clamp in this, or some people put a ball valve, shut this off. It's actually really easy to access. You don't have to shut off the main water line. So what happens is if you don't shut this off and you tow it at a high rate of speed, you're building pump pressure and it's circulating water through the system. So water fills this hose and in turn fills the water box, which gets too high and backflows into the exhaust manifold and into the exhaust valves and puts water into the engine. So the only hose you got to clamp off is this one right here on the water box. Put a valve in it. It's easy to access and you'll be good to go.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.